We're going to be doing a deep dive into 6 powerful business models to help you start making money online today. There's never been a better time with the amount of opportunity available. So make sure you like and subscribe to see more videos like this and join my free community where I'm going to help you to make your first dollars online. Now let's jump to the first method, and that's becoming a TikTok Shop affiliate. If you haven't heard yet, TikTok has brought out a new affiliates program that allows users to help promote products and then get a commission. So the first step is to sign up for the TikTok Shop affiliates program. And once you're successful, you're going to want to sign up for CaloData because that's the software that's going to help you find the most viral trending products right now. It's going to show you the sales data, the commission structure, and how long the product's been trending for. Once you've selected the product, you then order it from TikTok Shop, or if you want it really fast, you can even order it from Amazon. You then want to choose a style of content you want to create. So one of the methods is the faceless style. That's where you don't actually show your face, you just use your hands to demonstrate the product, or maybe you just film the product itself and how it works. The next style is an AI video, and these are really good for things like supplements or health products. So you can use anything like Midjourney or DALL-E to create images, and you tie them together with an AI generated voice to help sell the product. The last style is face content, similar to this video, where you demonstrate the product, you talk about how great it is, and all the features. It also helps to build trust because people get to see your face and know who you are. One of the most important things about creating content is the first 3 seconds. You've got to create that really strong hook that engages the audience straight away and shows them how good the product is. This game's all about testing, so it's not like you're going to be perfect when you start, but you just have to trust the process and know that the more videos you create, the better you're going to get, and the more likely it is that you'll find a winner and be able to capitalize on that winner. There are people already making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a day. This business model is really similar to e-com, but in this case, you're a bit more like a marketer. Speaking of e-com, the next method I want to talk about is dropshipping. Dropshipping over the years has gotten really bad rap. Now the competition's gone up, it's driven away a lot of the scammy type people who take shortcuts and don't really take this business seriously. For those of you who don't know, dropshipping is more like a fulfillment model as opposed to a business. It's e-commerce, but instead of holding inventory, you're able to sell a product. You can then find the supplier who sells that product, get that supplier to ship the product to your customer, and you keep the difference. This business has really low overheads, especially if you use organic marketing. As you get better, people generally evolve into doing more of an e-commerce style, and that's where you do hold inventory. So the first step in dropshipping is to pick a niche or to look at a product. One of the easiest ways to start is to just scroll your feed through either Facebook or TikTok. There's also a free ads library, and that shows you viral videos. And if you want to take it a step up, you can use software like Manea or ShopHunt to find viral products that are trending right now. The next step once you found a product is to use Shopify or WooCommerce. These days, a clean store with good branding and clean images along with strong reviews are the way to go to sell your product. Now when it comes to suppliers, the old way was AliExpress, which some people still use, but now you have platforms like AutoDS, Zendrop, and CJ Dropshipping that offer a much better experience and give you much more communication with suppliers. Make sure you spend some time here to find the right supplier for you and look at the shipping costs as well as the shipping times. Once you're comfortable in this step, you've got to decide whether you're going to use organic marketing or paid ads. If you choose organic marketing, you're going to want to focus on TikTok, Instagram, even YouTube Shorts. And if you use paid ads, TikTok ads, Facebook ads, and Google ads are probably your best bet. Even Snapchat these days is starting to pop off. And when it comes to creating content, you can use similar methods to the TikTok Shop style, where you have your faceless, AI, or face style content. The third method we're going to talk about today is faceless YouTube automation. This is a great way to have a passive income. You don't have to show your face, you don't even have to speak in these videos anymore. The goal here is to create entertaining or informative videos, capture the audience's attention, and then you can look at ways to monetize, such as the YouTube Partners Program, Google AdSense, or affiliates. In this method, you've got to pick a niche, something you're interested in or something that's going viral at the moment. Just don't do those rain videos because that's pretty saturated. Use something like vidIQ or just look at the view counts to understand what videos are popular at the moment. Think about blue ocean, red ocean. If you find the blue ocean, some gap in the market, it's going to help you grow much faster than if you try to compete directly with everyone else. When it comes to creating the content, you can use software like InVideo AI. Just type out the script or the idea that you want to cover, and InVideo will do the rest. You can then tweak your video. You can even use 11 Labs to create a more interesting voice that's really going to capture your viewers' attention. Method number 4 is something I've been learning a lot more about recently, and that is a coaching business. This method sounds a little daunting, especially if you're not an expert in the field, but all you're really doing is providing a way to help people get from A to B. So a good example of a community that I saw is helping students to go from C's to A's. You can either be an expert or you can actually take people on the journey with you and you learn together. So the first thing is to identify the need, and one of the easiest ways to do that is to reach out to your own network. Think about the kinds of problems that you have or your friends have, and ask them if they'd be willing to pay you if you help to solve it for them. If no one's interested in what you have to offer, that should tell you that your idea needs work. Then all you do is go back to the drawing board. You either improve the product or you come up with something else. A good way to start building a pipeline is to build a community where you funnel in people for free, and then you DM those people and start having one-on-one chats to promote your services. The platform I'm using at the moment is called Skool, and you're able to either charge a monthly fee or a one-time payment fee for your services. Once you're comfortable with the program and what you're offering, it's now time to reach out to people. Like I said, the best step is to contact people you know. Once you've done that, you can start to create content or try to find the place where the people that you're trying to help go to. You can then reach out to them and bring them to your community and try to upsell your services. The beauty of this method is you want to be charging somewhere upwards of $500. The profit margins are huge and you'll be able to charge more and more as you get better. Plus, it's really fulfilling to see people that you help actually make a difference in their life. The next method I want to talk about is content creation. A lot of the methods that I've talked about so far are around content, but this is directly about content. So this is where you start to create content solely for the purpose of sharing and building your audience. You can create your content here on YouTube, or you can look at blogging or podcasts or other social media, but each platform has its own strengths, so it's important to understand the platform that you're going to. You can use tools like Google Trends or BuzzSumo to help you find topics that are interesting for people and develop a content strategy around that topic. Just remember that when it comes to creating content, the more time you spend before creating the content, the better, because you really want to research and understand the kind of content you're creating before you create it. And it's going to come through in the content that you make. The beauty of creating content, especially long form, is that you're able to dice it up and then send it to other platforms for a similar amount of work. When it comes to monetizing this method, sponsorships are a huge way to make money, as well as affiliate marketing, any partnership programs that the platform offers, as well as the products and the services that you can promote for free through your content. Content creation is becoming more important now than ever because of the rising cost of ads and the costs of products. The skill that you learn in creating content transfers to so many different disciplines and industries, so don't sleep on it. The last method I want to talk about is email marketing. This method has been around for ages, but there's a reason, and that's because it's so powerful. If you were to get big on TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook, and then that platform shut down or banned you for whatever reason, then what happens? That's why email marketing is a bulletproof system where you're in full control and that control can't be taken away. If you've been in business a while, you know what I'm talking about and you'll understand the true value in email marketing. Now, if you're looking to build your audience, there's a few ways you can do that. One is to have a lead magnet, somewhere where you offer something for free and people give you their email address. You can also get people's emails through webinars or discounts when people subscribe. The important part is to remember it's give and take. Give people something that they want, and they will give you their email. You can use tools like Beehive or ConvertKit to help manage your email list and be able to send emails to them regularly. The better you are at nurturing this audience is going to help you to make money in the long term. That's because you'll be able to send them your products or your services, and they'll be happy to buy because you've built a relationship. With Beehive and ConvertKit, you'll also be able to look at the analytics, things like open rate, click-through rate, and purchases, and be able to make changes based on that data. So we've just covered 6 powerful business methods that you can use today to start making money online. I have a community where I help you to make your first dollar online, and I want to help you as much as I can. Business can be really challenging and lonely, and I want to provide a platform where we can share, talk, and make friends, and have fun at the same time. Like and subscribe so you see more videos like this. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.